Benefits of sleeping with an eye mask. Choosing the perfect eye mask is crucial for a tranquil night's rest. For Natural Fibres, silk ensures a soothing experience. It's soft and skincare friendly. Keep your eye mask fresh and hygienic with regular cleaning. Make sure the mask fits well, especially if you have sensitive ears or you shift during sleep. Don't tie the mask too tight to prevent skin issues from friction and folding, safeguarding against disruptions and inflammation of your skin barrier. Eye masks provides a sense of familiarity and promotes sound sleep. Weight eye masks reduce puffiness by gently applying pressure and removing excess fluid, revitalising the under eye area. Enhances sleep quality. REM sleep with total darkness. Look for masks that offer blackout conditions for a peaceful and rejuvenating sleep experience, free from distraction. Allow your skin barrier to heal and renew during sleep, promoting a radiant and healthy complexion. Choose your eye mask wisely for a peaceful night's sleep and skin rejuvenation. Sweet dreams!